Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Shipra Goyal from Medipedia Overseas. Today we have Prachi with us, and definitely she is going to share her experience, that how she qualified for NEET and then how she took admission and how is her MBBS life experience going on. तो वीडियो को आप प्लीज लास्ट तक देखना, because she will be giving her time to so that you can take maximum benefit from that. Okay, and इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बिकॉज और भी स्टूडेंट्स फीडबैक शेयर करेंगे ताकि आपको हेल्प मिल सके. Okay, so let's start with Prachi. So Prachi, to our audience, can you give the brief introduction of yourself?
Hi, good evening everybody. I am a student of MBBS. I am studying with the first year. I'm a first prof student and I qualified my NEET in the year 2020. And here I am in front of you. I'm a student. I'm still working on it. I'm a 2B doctor.
Okay, great. So Prachi, where are you from?
I'm from Firozpur, Punjab.
You're from Firozpur, Punjab. Okay, great.
Yeah.
And like you are studying in KD Mathura, right? That is into UP, right? But when we are from Punjab, so parents normally have a constraint, or students also, that we don't want to go to UP, right? So how do you come to know about like KD Mathura?
Well, it was a total guidance by my counselor from Medipedia.
Okay.
I didn't know about it earlier. It was a given advice, and I took for it, and thank God I took for it, and now here I am.
Okay, great. And who was your counselor?
It was Mr. Ranjeet from Medipedia.
Okay, and how did you met him? मतलब आपको Medipedia के बारे में कहाँ से पता चला?
I met him in a counselling session. Plus, I knew about it from a senior who is also in a medical college in Punjab. Again, Medipedia की counselling से. So,
okay.
That's how I got it.
Okay, so in which year she took admission from Medipedia?
She's a student of year 2018 batch.
2018
She's a student in PIMS, Punjab. Yeah.
Okay, great. So you have visited the seminar also that took at Firozpur, right?
Yeah.
So best thing is that seminars are conducted in your city itself, right? I think आपको कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ा होगा, right?
No, I didn't need to go anywhere. That's what I had it right here.
Okay, great. So how was your overall experience with the Medipedia team, with the counselors, about the communications? कैसा रहा? And anything you feel like that can be done better, you can definitely share with us.
No, definitely having a counselor was always a plus point. I had my vision straight. I didn't have to wander places. मुझे पता था कि what are my chances and where all I can actually apply. I didn't have to make any extra applications.
Okay.
And also extra applications I feel is a wastage of money as well, because you're wasting your resources on the wrong colleges. You need to have your head really clear that these are the places that I have my chances on, and these are the places I need to hit on at the very first time.
Yes, that
is how I got it.
Because if you try to do counseling of multiple states, every state has own registration and security fee. Even I tell you, like this is a month of April and students still not have got the security money back from various counselings. Means 1 lakh they have deposited somewhere, 2 lakhs they have deposited. Still, it's in the process. If you apply to minimum and the state which you know that you will get the college, it is always the best decision. So definitely you need a counselor to get that right click also. So great Prachi. So like, what was your first shot, like when you come to know that okay, we are applying for UP? So what was your first opinion? Not now you know that you are in very good college, right? तो पहले आपका एक perception कैसा?
Honestly, even it's not just with me, it was with me and my family that I am going to UP. I am from Punjab. I've never been into such a conservative environment. Like, okay, there is always the stigma that comparatively UP is not as safe as Punjab is. Obviously, our family live here. We have been living here since years, and we don't know if it is safe enough. But to be honest, now that I live there, I know that I can definitely call that place home.
Okay, so how is the place to, like, how is the commuting over there? Is it easy to travel from your home to college or nearby places or to the city? How is that?
Yeah, everything if it is, even it's on the college behalf, I thank my authorities for that. Also, it's this place is right in the middle. It's on the national highway, very commutable, and at the same time, मथुरा से 24 kilometers की distance पे है. Me being from Punjab, I love traveling by train. That is the most convenient option for me. For Delhiites and people from other states as well, the national highway, I guess, is the most convenient option. We get our buses right from the college. Okay. We don't have to wander here and there. Okay. Even if we need to travel by train, we need to go to the Mathura Junction station, which is like 24 to 30 kilometers, and we get our travel facilities from the college to the railway station as well. It is pretty convenient for us.
Oh, okay, that's great. And like, how many state students are there in your college? Like, students are only from North?
No. We have students from Mumbai, we have students from South, we have students from Madhya Pradesh. People are coming there from all around India. Like, we have a lot many students from Rajasthan as well, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana. How can we forget Haryana? With UP, the students are there.
So, what do you think that the students from Maharashtra or South, so are they happy? Like, I know that you are happy with that college, but are they happy staying there?
Definitely. At the same time, they get their trains and travel facilities pretty convenient as well. They travel to Delhi pretty conveniently, and also, even if they're traveling to Maharashtra directly, they have their trains fixed. They have their cabs fixed to the station, and then they catch their trains on time. It is a pretty convenient thing to do.
Okay, good. So means there are multiple options available, but due to our own constraints, we don't know whether we can get the admission done, we can get our seat done. So it's a good option for North Indians as well as South Indians or Central India.
Definitely.
Right? And how about the, can you share like about the education quality, about the hostel facility, infrastructure, mess quality, everything about your college?
See, the infrastructure is pretty good. I am really happy with it. We have a pretty decent patient income as well. So definitely that we get the exposure there. Okay. And also the infrastructure college-wise is pretty good. We have all our lab facilities there. We have, you see, there are colleges where they don't have sufficient cadavers to work. We work on cadavers. It is pretty convenient. We have the best way of learning there. The staff is pretty good. We have their guidance. They are one of the best teachers present. And also, like the hostel facilities, they're pretty safe and convenient. Plus, our caretakers, they are very responsible, and they provide us with the homely vibe. We have never felt that okay, we are far from home. They are always there to comfort us. Plus, the mess facilities, as far as I have seen, I am really okay with it. Like, I am really happy with it. My friends, I have seen friends cribbing over their mess facilities. Plus, but I am pretty happy with it. I'm satisfied.
Okay, that's very important, right? So education quality is also important, but on the same time, daily you are getting good food, good facilities at hostel and infra. That is really great to know. And you told that hospital facilities and doctors are also good. Okay. Yeah. Great. Anything you would like to guide your juniors about, like NEET preparation or the admission process, that which can be best for them?
See, NEET preparation, it is a hectic journey. I've been through it. I have done it. I know it is really hectic and it is a difficult time. There are times when you feel like giving up. Don't give up on it. You even if you score average, but if you have that proper guidance, if you have that particular counselor who can guide you at the very point, that is very important. Like, if you have a proper counselor and if you have the right guidance, you can get through it, you can get into the college.
Okay,
that is at the end, that is the aim.
Okay, that's good. Definitely, Prachi, thank you so much. You have given your time to share with your juniors and the NEET aspirants. I know that you must have liked this video. Everybody, please like and comment your favorite, your dream college in this comment box, so that we can help you to reach there. And also, we have attached the Google form in the description, so you can also submit your queries through the Google forms, and subscribe this channel us and press the bell icon, so always you get the time to time student feedbacks, counseling updates, and you can save this number also. On WhatsApp also we frequently send the government notification and scholarship information as well, right? So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, right?
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Stay safe.